this vital piece of infrastructure that on which all of our lives depend is degrading very quickly. It's impacted by climate change, as we saw very, very acutely last year during the floods, but it's also impacted by regrettable decisions on how the parts of the river system have been concreted up, how we prevent the river from flowing naturally, and which then further exacerbates the flooding. And then we put so much waste, plastic, rubbish, sewage into the river system that rather than being a source of life, it is becoming toxic. So we need to do so much better at protecting and investing in this vital infrastructure. The government's done excellent work with the support of the United Nations on developing an overall framework for the restoration of the Indus Basin, the living Indus. But so far we're still developing the idea